Okay, here we have a sequence, and we're going to try to find out if it converges or diverges. The way we find out if it converges or diverges is by taking the limit as n approaches infinity of the sequence. So we have the limit as n approaches infinity of 3 to the n times 7 to the negative n. Well, let's just change the form. If you take something to an exponent, to a negative exponent, that just means you're taking it in the denominator to the value of whatever exponent that is. So it's 3 to the n over 7 to the n. Now, if you were to plug in infinity, you would get infinity over infinity. And that'd just be weird because that's not how you should look at it. The way you should look at it is that, what does this mean? This really means the limit as n approaches infinity of 3/7 to the n. That's what this really means, because whenever you have an exponent to a fraction, you're sending both the numerator and the denominator to that exponent. So now, if we let n go to infinity, what happens? This goes to 0, because you're constantly multiplying that same number by itself an infinite amount of times, and it's less than 1 and greater than 0. It's a fraction. So if you multiply any fraction, which is between 0 and 1, again and again and again and again by itself, it's just going to 0. So the answer here is that it does converge. This converges to 0.